Welcomes to Mentorship YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how I make my first $800 on Upwork successfully with only just one job. I'll complete only one just job to make $800 on Upwork successfully. So as you can see, this is my profile. See, I'm from Nigeria. So I'm from Osun State, I'm from Nigeria, so that's it. And you see, this is $800 earnings and one jobs. I complete only one jobs as a mobile app publisher on Upworks and gain $800 within 3 weeks of joining Upworks. So now I will be showing you a little tricks that I do that got me jobs quickly and successfully. So now, firstly, you come to your profile, go to profiles. When you go to your profiles, you go to your dashboard, right? Go to dashboard. When you go to dashboard, here's my dashboard. The first thing you will see is your complete your profile. Make sure you complete your profile so that any buyer that sees you will trust you. That's it. So now, as you can see, I have completed my profile 95%. So next thing you do is that come to availability badge. As you can see, my own is on. My own is on. As you can see, availability badge. My own is on. So what you do is that you come to availability badge. Click on this edit. If yours is not on, click on it. Then you come here. After you come here, you input. As you can see, I have 23 connect left. So minimum I can use is $14. As you can see, make it easy for clients to see you open for work by turning the availability badge on. So after you input your $14, what you come and what you turn on. After turning on them, you save it. After saving it, so that's it. That's what you're going to do. Then you come here. You can also boost your profile so that many people will see your profile that you are available for jobs. So now next thing is that go on the job posted. You see people looking for jobs from any country. So you come. Here's the job that I want to apply. See, here's this. So it's from Ukraine. The buyers from Ukraine. And the budget, estimated budget for this particular jobs is $600. As you can see, to make this money is easier, right? So it depends on just the services you are arranging. So I'm a mobile app publisher. So here is how it works. And you can see the developer posted, the buyer posted these jobs 7 hours ago, not long. So you have to make sure you turn everything on and be active so that you apply immediately. So here it is. So it's something easier like that. You see, you are looking for a developer with access to your Google Play Console account to assist in publishing mobile app, which is easy. That's what I'm doing. So now you go. What next now is that we should apply, how to apply a project. Then you click on the project. After you click on the project, so after it shows, what you have to do is that you come to apply. As you can see, come to apply. Yeah. After you come to apply, and click on apply. So it's very, very simple to get jobs. What it depends on your services you are rendering. So you come. This project, they say this project proposals requires 7 connect. So for you to apply for these jobs, you have to have at least 7 connect upward. Now say when you submit your proposals, you'll have 15 connect left. So as you can see, that's my connect. So you come down. See, buy the $600. Then when Upwork to their own percentage, which is a 10%, $60, you'll be left with $540. Then you come down. Then they will ask you how long will this project take. this project, yes, it doesn't take like either 2 or 3 days to publish the app. The app, you can publish the app. It's it's 30 minutes. Within 15 to 20 minutes, you finish uploading the app. Now you wait for Google Play to live your apps. So we click on less than a month. Less than a month. You click on it. So after clicking on it, then you come down. Here is where you are going to post the proposal. So already I have my own proposal available. So I will be using my own proposal. So here is the proposal that I craft that will draw the attention of the buyer. So read the proposal. I say, I saw your post of you being needed of a Google Play console for up and so on like that. So like that help more than 6 companies. Let's change it to 10 companies launched the year. Over 50 have launched more than 500 apps. So launch more than, let's see, more than 100 mobile apps on Google Play and pass the moderation to have successfully. So we're looking forward to do work with you. Then make sure that the link of the commercial account must be attached. So it will draw the attention of the buyer quickly. So it will show that you really know what you are doing. You have accounts because you need accounts to publish this app. So now you come down, you click on attach files. After clicking on attach files, you come down. Maybe you have it before. So here's the one I want to use. I click on it and I do open. So it shows here. So they say they will scan this file and remove any content that may be harmful. So be careful on what you are going to upload. So then you come down. If you have any work that you have done past, you just click on add and jokes, but I don't want to add it because my profile is already verified. So I'm just come here, how much I want to buy it. So if you want to buy it, that's what I'm talking about, to buy it. You see rank, buy it. So if you want the buyer to see your proposal, you know you are not the only one. There's a lot of competitor in this Upwork. So if you want to buy the project, I want the buyer to see your proposal earlier so that you won't miss this job. So what you are going to do is that you can set at least any byte. So I'm using 5 connect for byte. Then you set the byte. After setting the byte, then you scroll down, click on send for swipe connect, click on it. After clicking on it, then you come down, then yes, I understand. Continue. After clicking on continue, you see your proposal was submitted. Your proposal was submitted. So what we do, it will make everything there for us. As you can see what is showing here. Afraid inside, applicant, afraid, so just go. As you can see, that's my page, my profile page, everything about me. You see, upgrade to Freelancer Plus. So that's easy as it is to make money on a Upwork successfully. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.